Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are
Right. We're discussing about rolling, no?
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, pure rolling, sir. Yes.
See, suppose there's a body. This is a stationary. This body is rotating with omega. Okay, it has V naught. Find the velocity of point D. Shall I do?
One minute, sir.
As you know, this is velocity of center of mass,
Yes.
as well as because it is rotating, this is R omega.
Yes, sir. R omega.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then what is this angle? This will be the velocity, no?
Yes.
Find out that.
Sir, 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta.
Why 90 plus theta?
Sir, sir, I got 90 plus theta,
This
sir.
is 90.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will be this angle?
90 minus theta.
Why it will be 90 minus theta?
Because,
This is alternate angle. This is 90
uh,
minus theta. This is 90 minus theta.
yes, sir.
Okay. This should be
90 plus theta.
this is 90 minus theta, man.
Yes, sir. That is 90
So
minus
this
theta.
should be theta, no?
Yes, sir.
Together 90, no?
Sorry, sir. I said between V naught and R omega, sir. Sorry, sir.
So this is theta. Do you agree with it?
Agree, sir.
No, no, we can't tell that. Because the reason is this is not perpendicular, this is not a tangent, no? This angle you can get alpha. Alpha plus 90 minus theta is 180, no?
Yes, sir.
So alpha is 180 minus 90 minus theta. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. 90 plus theta. Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Follow this.
Hold
See,
on,
once
sir.
again I am showing this is one line. This is the tangent. This is 90. This is the horizontal. This is theta. So this will complete a triangle. This is 90 minus theta. This is V naught. This is 90 minus theta. So this angle, this is R omega. This will be how much? 90 plus theta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you know this, what is VD?
Under root of V naught square plus
V
R.
naught square plus R omega square plus 2 into V naught into R omega into cos.
90 plus theta. Under root.
Do you agree with this? Also, this is body is
Pure rotation. Sir, pure rolling. Sorry.
pure rolling means the condition is, see, these are the 2 points. This is point 1, this is point 2. Yesterday you have seen this is V naught. What is this?
V
R
naught.
omega. For pure rolling, the condition is this one,
Yes, sir.
V2 is anyhow 0. So what is V naught?
R
R
omega.
omega. So V naught square plus V naught square plus 2V naught V naught. What is it? Sin theta.
Yes, sir.
See, this is 2V naught square.
Sir, sin beta, sir. Minus sin beta. Sir, to minus sin beta, no, sir. 90 plus beta.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So
Agree,
this
sir.
is, do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Any doubt is there in this?
No doubts. No doubts. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
Finished? Hello.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute, sir, please. Sir. 1 minute, sir.
Finished?
Complete. Yes, sir.
Understood the question?
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Come.
See here, this is V naught.
Yes. R omega. R omega naught. Inverse velocity V.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Now suppose the same wheel, the situation slightly differs. This is omega naught.
Yes.
Then the center of mass will have V naught. This is V. Then what is the condition?
V is equal to V naught plus R omega naught.
So this has, because it rotates like this now.
Yes, sir. Clockwise direction. So, it's anti-clockwise direction.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Your account will expire.
Sir, can you once please show the previous speech? Sir, thank you.
హలో
Yes, sir. Thank
బాబు
you, sir.
ఎక్కడున్నావు వచ్చా completed?
Yes, sir.
Someone asked for this completed or not?
Yes, sir. Completed.
You remember that the center of mass, if it displaces by, okay, then
Yes.
any point, say suppose this is point P, this point displaces by an angle theta, okay, such
Yes.
that angular displacement is omega t. Understood this? Clear?
Yes. Clear, sir.
Understood this? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Now, for example, this is a point. And taking this as the origin. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kind of understood the question?
Mm. Mm.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Do it. Any answer?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Do it, sir.
Any answer, man? Hello.
Sir,
What is the answer, man? Any answer?
uh, uh, sir, I got one answer, sir.
That
V,
one answer. What is that answer?
sir, V naught plus R sin theta, comma, R cos theta. No, sir, R, comma R. I got
No,
like that.
man, they are diametrically wrong. See. Okay, anyhow, see. This point P goes over there, I told no. Theta.
Yes, sir.
What is theta? You know
Uh,
the
omega
distance
naught.
from here to here, distance traveled by center of mass.
Sir, I got one
Yes.
answer.
What is it?
V naught t minus r sin omega t, comma r into 1 minus cos omega t.
Yes, correct. Okay. And what is theta?
Omega naught.
Now you can see this distance we need now. What is this distance? Say this is x1, this is y1. Then from this you can see what is x1, y1, man?
Sir, X1 is R sin theta. Y1 is R cos theta. R cos omega naught t.
Now till here we need no. So what is the x coordinate of P?
V naught t minus R sin omega
So
naught.
this is nothing but
R sin omega naught.
okay.
Yes,
And what is the y coordinate? R minus y1. This distance only no.
yes, sir, sir.
This is the x distance and this is the y distance. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Complete this?
1 minute.
One.
What are they?
Yes.
Now let us see another situation. Okay, he says that acceleration of center of mass is AC and linear speed of center of mass okay, the radius of the wheel is r and it is undergoing finished.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see for point Q, what is that you have AR 80, no? What is AR?
R omega square. R omega square. Yes, sir. R
Do
omega
you
naught.
agree with this?
Agrees.
So what is 80?
Sir, R alpha. R alpha naught.
Do you agree with this? Vector sum and nothing else.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. It is in pure rolling, no?
Yes.
This is V naught
టాబ్లెట్ కూడా పెట్టాను దేవుడిగా అన్నం ఫస్ట్ తీసి పెట్టింది
So here it has two accelerations, no?
Yes, sir. 50 and 80.
Okay.
Yes, sir. R alpha naught.
Understood this? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir. So one doubt, sir. Sir, in both these cases, we didn't include acceleration of center of mass, sir. Why, sir?
Why we didn't include? What
Why
is
is,
this one?
sir, A naught is acceleration of center of mass.
One more thing is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please. Completed, sir.
See, it will be easy for you if you are know one more thing called instantaneous axis of rotation. See, for example, if this reel is rolling, okay,
Yes,
this is
sir.
the axis of rotation, no?
Yes, sir. Axis of rotation.
Till here you followed.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you find a point? Is this rotating?
Yes, sir. Now it is not rotating, sir, because no omega.
Huh?
Sir, omega is not there, sir. We just give axis now, sir.
One second.
Yes.
See, actually, here what you are doing in all these problems is you are taking two things. What is that?
Axis.
Translator motion plus rotation. No, that is what you are taking. No, any
Yes.
point. What is that you are doing?
Translate.
Velocity of any point P. You are taking what? Velocity of center of mass plus What are you doing again?
Sir,
Time and velocity.
Rotation about center of mass. This is what you are doing now. And you
yes,
are
sir.
finding the vector sum. Is it correct or not? What we are discussing so far?
Correct, sir.
Yes.
Correct, sir.
Instead of that, I don't want translation and rotation. I'll take pure rotation. So here I can say for pure rotation, we have the combined effects of translation of center of mass and rotation. Are found to be understood this.
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell is there any point on the body which has zero velocity?
No,
Wheel is moving. Is there any point which has zero velocity?
no, sir. No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Abrar?
Yes, sir.
Is there any point of zero velocity on the wheel when it is rotating?
Ah, sir. One point is there, sir. This center of mass.
Topmost point is
That
there.
center.
Why is that? No, no, I want zero velocity. Center of mass is moving, no? How it can have zero velocity? Now you can see that this
That
point,
below point, sir. Lowest point before sun.
now you can see that this point has VCM and this also has R omega, and you are taking V1 is what? VCM minus R omega. This is having 2. What is V2? 0. Now
Zero.
what you are doing, V1 equals V2 equals 0. That means point 1 is
Ah,
having
zero velocity.
0 velocity. Is it temporary or permanent?
So, permanent.
Temporary, because next point will come here, next point will come. That point will not be there only now forever.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
They
sir.
agree with this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this point See, this point is called instantaneous center of rotation. Now, what is the use of that is, now you can see, suppose I want to know this point Q. What you are doing about this point, you are taking, this is VCM, again rotation about this. We are taking VCM, again rotation, we are finding the sum now. Do you agree with this? If you choose this instantaneous, you need not bother about translation. No, this is the axis now. This is the point Q now. Okay, treat this at the center. This is the radius of this now. Okay, draw a tangent. So this is the velocity of Q. This and this will be same. So this is, we are considering only pure rotation about this. When this is pure rotation with this radius, this will be tangent now. This point is what we call it as instantaneous center of rotation. And the axis passing through that is called as instantaneous axis of rotation. Understood this?
Yes.
Now I'll just prove this one by one. Till here, any doubt is there? At least you understood what is instantaneous center of rotation. Whenever a body is undergoing rotation as well as translation, usually you find velocity of any point by considering the translation of center of mass plus rotation of the point around center of mass. Instead of that, choose, you will be having one point which has zero velocity. You can take pure rotation about that point, you will get the same velocity. Compute the velocity of the point, treating it as purely rotating about that point. I see what. Same velocity you will get. I'll prove that. Shall I turn this?
So 1 minute, sir. Yes.
See, these are all first time introduction, no? You may feel little bit difficult, irritating, but there is no other go. Even the greatest person, H.C. Verma, these people only did not discuss this. But if you know this, it will be easy for solving problems. Refer H.C. Verma, it is not written over there. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
One second. Hello? Shall I turn this?
Yes. Yes, sir. Complete.
Let us take one example of this. You see the advantage of this when we go ahead with problems. This wheel is in pure rotation. This is stationary surface. Okay. This is having VCM.
Yes.
This is omega naught. Suppose I want this point. Example I am saying. How do you find VQ? This is having V naught and this is having R omega naught. Do you agree with this? Now if you take this point and this point, what is V1? You already know that this is nothing but V naught. This is R omega. This is V naught minus R omega. Stationary surface is rest. V naught equals R omega. Therefore, what is the velocity of Q? Magnitude wise, if you take, this is V naught square plus R omega naught square plus 2 into V naught into R omega naught into cos 90. Do you agree with this? Anyhow, this is 0. V
Yes.
naught square plus V naught square. How much it comes to? Root 2 V naught. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
Now let us do the same problem by considering that which point is at rest. Point 1 is the instantaneous center of rotation. No?
Yes, sir.
What is this? Instantaneous center of rotation.
Yes, sir.
What is it axis called?
Axis of rotation.
Instantaneous axis
Instantaneous.
of rotation. Okay. Now if I want to do this is the point Q. No, please see. Pure rotation is we need. That means pure rotation means this is center now. So draw one radius from here. How does the velocity of this moves in a circular path now around Q? That is the meaning of that what we are doing now. If you take
Tangent.
Yes, sir.
draw one tangent VQ. Okay, this is the VQ. Now you can see this is R, this is R, this is R, this is 90. Now you can see what is the magnitude of V. It is moving in a circle now. This is the center, instantaneous center of rotation. Is nothing but R into omega. Now with same omega we will take. Do you agree with this? Now you
Yes,
know
sir.
that this is nothing but root 2 R only, no? Do you
Hmm.
agree with this? Now you know what is V naught.
R omega.
Same thing you got this and this or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be
Yes, sir. We
easy.
got same.
This will be easy because only rotation is considered. There, rotation as well as translation. In the simple case, you may feel this is easy, but when there are multiple bodies, suppose if a lorry is going on this one plank is there, the plank is also moving, like that multiple bodies are given, no, it will be difficult for you to take both. In such cases, it's better if you can know this. See, these
Yes,
are
sir.
all, whatever we do, concept means like tools. There is a screwdriver. What is the purpose of that? To open the screw. There is a cutting plier. What is the purpose of it? To remove nails. So like that, each one is one tool. Which tool to apply in which situation depends upon your caliber. For that only a carpenter has a lot of training before. He cannot take a screwdriver to remove a nail, no. The right device for the correct purpose at the right time, he will be successful, no. He cannot take a scissor and cut a wood, no. Seesaw is needed for that. Similarly, all these are tools. Where to apply that depends upon the problem situation. That practice is what I ask you to do the assignments. As you go on doing, the training will be over, then you will be an expert. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Or 1 minute.
Take it, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear,
Right.
sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Another 10 minutes is there now.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Now, how to locate the instantaneous center of rotation? I see we have to note. IC means instantaneous center. Okay. Now you can see do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
You take any point on the body. The line join the point. Which point? This point to the IC. Okay. It is perpendicular to the velocity vector or not? This is the velocity vector. Perpendicular to that or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Now, suppose a body is there, some arbitrary body. Okay. Now, I want to know we were given
Yes.
the velocity of any point. We know, suppose. Okay. And suppose Following?
Following, sir.
How to find see, suppose this is the center of mass. For example, I am saying this is VCM now. Clear? Now you can
Yes, sir.
see that I want to
Yes,
know any point. For example, this is one point. Okay. This point should be perpendicular to this now. This is
yes, sir.
R
Should
now.
be.
Agreed? Now this will
Yes,
be
sir.
rotating in a circular path around this body or not?
Yes, sir.
You can visualize the
About
circular
the.
motion. Agreed? Now this is point IC. How to get the location? You can see that this is moving like this now. Now this
Yes, sir.
point is moving around this. I can say that this is the center of mass. This is moving with a velocity of how much? R omega. No? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
Yes, sir. Mm,
Okay, R
mm,
omega. No? Then what is R?
There are distance between instantaneous center and the center of mass.
See, this is the IC, no? Please see. This is the IC. This point is having a velocity VCM. Some point I am saying. Now this is moving in a
Yes,
circular path or not? Sorry.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, no, no. This is the body. Please
About.
understand. This is the center of mass. We have taken this as perpendicular. This is IC. Now center of mass will be moving in the circular motion about IC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? Now you can see
Agree.
with the same velocity. That means this will be moving around IC with same velocity. No? So what you
And
can
the same
see
angle.
VCM by R tangent is omega. No? Clear?
Omega.
Therefore, what is that R you
Yes.
have? Now you can locate the center of
Uh,
mass, the IC or not by this method.
Sir, we can look at sir.
yes, sir.
Followed?
We can look it.
Followed,
Follow, sir.
Any doubt is there?
no road, sir.
No doubt, sir. Clear.
See, this will you'll understand. It will make you do some more problems. So don't get worried about this. Few problems. First, when I introduce the rotational motion, first day you will be confused. 1 or 2 days you wait. Then I'll count. Do some more problems. You'll be comfortable. Okay. So don't draw your
Yes,
own conclusion. This is difficult. That is difficult, and don't develop a negative attitude towards physics. That will spoil your engineering career. In turn will spoil your career. That in turn spoils your life because your studies are your livelihood. No.
yes, sir.
Okay. Till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
So
Clear.
the many problems are there in this. First, I'll complete the methods to locate IC and I'll revise this point once again. Right. Go to your class. The next class is there now, 11 o'clock or something. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Complete this and go.
Sir, completing, sir. 1 minute, sir.